Consumption report. There is a report in Petpooja inventory which lets you track the consumption, which means the amount of raw material used in your outlet orders. Now let us see how can we access this report. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then navigate to inventory section. Under inventory, you will find a subheading of report. Once you click there, consumption report will be visible. A screen like so will appear. Let us first understand the filters that we can apply here. The first one being raw material names, the second one being the categories of raw material, the third one being the from date and its respective to date. Now you can select date range and click on search, and a report like so will appear with the dates displayed on the top and 3 columns. Once you export this report in Excel, you'll also be able to see the consolidated consumption quantity and consumption amount of those many days. Like so, the consumption quantity and the consumption cost for the entire period. If you want to check the report out for one day, you can directly see those 2 columns like so. Now the first column heading is for the raw material. The second column heading is for the consumption quantity on that particular day. The third heading is for the average purchase price of that stock. The next column heading is for the consumption cost, which means consumption quantity multiplied by your average purchase price will give you the total consumption cost of that particular raw material. After that, here, in case of multiple dates, the total consumption quantity of multiple dates will be listed and the total consumption cost of multiple dates will be listed here. When you scroll down or reach the last raw material, you will also be able to see a total section. If you'd like to get a copy in Excel format, you can click here and generate an Excel copy for yourself. This report essentially shows you how much consumption of raw material took place, so that you can know how much raw materials are being used on daily basis or on monthly, weekly, custom date range basis. This can help you to make better decisions while purchasing inventory and managing inventory. To access this report, you have to first go onto the particular outlet, and then only you can see the consumption report of that outlet. This report will differ from each and every outlet. So first navigate to the outlet section in your owner's dashboard and then navigate to the report. So this was about consumption report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.